Do they even know that it was Asaduddin Owaisi had opened the first MANU school in Farooq Nagar? From class 1 to 10 CBSE course is being taught. Do they even know that 8 crores building was constructed on a police land with the permission of YS Rajasekhara Reddy's government? And when YSR came over there to inaugurate that school building in Farooq Nagar, which I don't know, you have not gone over there. Sometime you must go and see the good work we have done. Rajasekhara Reddy, he came in a bus. He said, "This is the building you want me to inaugurate?" I said, "Yes, sir." He said, "Not inaugurate." I was shocked. I said, "Why are you saying this?" He said, "No, why? How can you get only one school? What about the whole of Andhra Pradesh?" In front of me, YS Rajasekhara Reddy spoke to, I think so, the HRD minister was Kapil Sibal. And one principal secretary of HRD, who later on went to become the chief secretary of Chhattisgarh, Rajasekhara Reddy spoke on on a cell phone to these two minister and me, and saying that I want more such schools. If the MANU University is trying to give it to private people to develop that area, we also condemn that. And we don't want that if that land is given to MANU, it should remain with MANU. But to make such baseless allegations against MIM, this is a cowardly act. You want to fight me politically, come out and fight me politically. And don't tell me what about MANU. I know more about MANU. There is a standing committee report when I was a member of Ministry of Social Justice and Ministry of Minority Affairs. You should see my contribution in those reports, what I have talked about MANU and everything, or what we have spoken in the parliament. Recently, in the last parliament session, I had talked about Urdu language and I had said, please strengthen MANU. And I'm warning the MANU administrators, you should not finish Urdu to promote English language over there. That university was formed for the Urdu language. It was Urdu University under an act. I hope they don't do that.